Gamers! How's it going, gamers? It's been a while, hasn't it? A few things might indicate that. Here, first, let me preface this video by addressing the elephant in the room. Taking a massive bite out of that. This is why I'm not wearing the hat right now. I love it all the same, though. And we'll still continue to make just the absolute worst references. But today, gamers, in case you didn't hear the title or anything like that, it's finally another episode of Epic Things I Use. And this, I honestly think you gamers are going to find, like, unbelievably helpful. Save you a lot of money, a lot of time, and peace of mind. Now, if you're wondering why the aspect ratio is so terrible, this is why. Cutting out. It's because of this! It's because I'm still trying to use OBS properly, and I need a better dedicated camera that's hooked up. Now, the reason I'm using OBS is because we got some new mic equipment. Hopefully that improves a little bit better for your experience, for your viewing pleasure. But let's just jump right into it, gamer. Let me move this camera a little bit. There you go, so you can get a better idea as to, finally, how this is gonna look. So, here's the basic web page. Now, let me introduce what it's called, privacy.com. Privacy.com is actually the name of the product. It has a mobile app that's very intuitive. You don't have to have a PC for this. I'm just using PC because it's easier to kind of absorb everything, and you have all the features from privacy.com just right in front of you. We can really go into depth with this, but don't worry. This video won't be stretched out or nothing like that. I'm just going to tell you the basics and why I honestly really think you should start using this. Now, also let me say that I'm not sponsored. I am not sponsored by these people, and Epic Things I Use hopefully one day will be sponsored, but rest assured, gamers, I will not recommend something to you unless I firmly believe in it and use it myself. All right? Or would use it myself if it would be good for my specific scenario. But gamers, all right, let's just jump right into it. So basically what privacy.com is, and it might just seem a little bit weird from the desktop idea of it, but basically privacy.com is a service that lets you create credit debit cards, you know, with like the numbers, the 3 digits on the back, the expiration month and year, you know, save John Wick from the comfort of your computer. And all you need for it is a bank account. So what you do is you link up your bank account, and what it does is it withdraws money from your bank account and charges it to this generated card that you can use. So you can generate as many of these as you want. I believe that there is a paid version. Yes. So if you get, like, for example, Pro, you have a cashback options and bonuses like that. I only use the free version thus far, but for your specific scenario, it might be better to utilize Pro. And yes, I will be giving you this referral link, Epic Gamers, if you want to just get a quick $5. I mean, what's the hurt in that? And then it also comes with a browser extension, so you can just click on the top right on the little icon and create a card right there. Now let's go into what type of cards you can make. So let's just kind of run through it. So basically, this is the kind of menu that you're met with when you want to create a new card. So let's name this card Epic Gamer. It even has like presets for logos and stuff like that, which is really cute, so that it's easier to organize your cards, because there's 2 types of cards, merchant cards and burner cards. Let me explain what those are. So our Epic Gamer card, let's save them right there. So what you do is you do a spend limit. So basically the maximum amount that can possibly be charged on this card. And this is where the fun comes in. This is where it becomes so like essential as a tool in your box, gamers. Okay? Basically what you can do is set this to like total, so that this card will only be able to be charged $5. So if you're getting like a trial for something and you're worried about auto charges for the next month or something like that, this card could be a burner, single use, and it will not only have a maximum amount on it, but this card can only be charged once. So if they try to charge you twice or overcharge you, it's just not an option. This privacy.com won't allow it, because there's a cap on what's allowed to be charged with this card. Or if you're worried about a monthly subscription, about people overcharging you or pumping the price without you knowing, you could set like an exact amount, like, I don't know, $8 or like $3.99 if you're buying the chair. I guess it only does it in whole numbers, but that doesn't really matter too much, gamers. It's a matter of pennies, right? But if you're buying the chair, just $3.99, single use, and you know Pew doesn't. Obviously, by the way, gamers, leave room for taxes. So what you could do is like, you know, so that it's only, and that's basically what defines a burner card, is the single use. But if you want to do a per month transaction, like say you have $10 a month and you're worried about them charging you more than $10 a month, just to set it tier 10, set it for per month, and there you go. Add limit, and then it's $10 per month. This card is Epic Gamer. You can create this card and then insert the digits, all the information, and it'll work straight away. And yeah, I can just label this straight up like Netflix or something like that, Groupon, card, or Walmart, whatever it is. Postmates, also this is great for budgeting. So like you can link up your cards to, for privacy.com, to say Postmates or something like that. If you have an issue with spending too much on Postmates or Amazon, you can have a capped card that only lets you spend this amount of money per month. Please God, don't spend $600 on Amazon a month unless you're buying all your business expenses there, but gamers, you get what I mean, right? And like per transaction. So like it'll only charge you this much like per transaction so that you won't buy over a certain amount. This honestly is just what I do. What I use this for is stuff like for TubeBuddy, because TubeBuddy is a service that's charges monthly. It's online completely. So what I want to make sure is that they don't ever increase that charge and I don't know about it and then it's too late because I agreed to spend it or they sent me an email and I missed it. No, I straight up will never be charged more than say $5 because I'm pretty sure that's my limit with my TubeBuddy card. And then Mamba Energy, which is where we got the not the best tasting energy supplements. So we got a sample for it. $6.99 with shipping. We got a 60 serving trial for it. And that actually saved me like, I don't remember how much, but it was like a few $1000 in recharging me the next month for an auto refill of Mamba Energy. So yeah, and same with grenades, gum, and stuff like that. This is just great for if you're signing up for a trial and you don't want to forget about it. It's just a great go-to, and the mobile app is just really user-friendly. And honestly, gamers, that's all I really have to say about this. Highly, highly recommend signing up and checking this out. And it's also great to keep you safe. If you're also worried about your credit card information being leaked on a website you're not 100% sure has their security in check, if you're using a card like this, I mean, you can just straight up delete the card and then they have no access to any of your information. I don't know, gamers. It's just something I really like. And this has been episode 2 of Epic Things I Use. Let's do a cut for that camera angle again. Hopefully, gamers, you got a little bit more value out of this. Hopefully this helps you out, whether it's privacy, convenience, budgeting, whatever it may be. Gamers, I love you. Specifically, okay? I really hope the service helps. Again, don't forget that invite link so that after your first purchase you get $5. Why not? I guess. If you don't want to use it though, no big deal. It's just an easy way to support the channel and get free $5. And I don't know, gamers. Totally up to you, obviously. But look, I love you specifically. Hope to talk soon, and this time I'm serious about daily uploads, okay? There's too much value I want to give you, gamers, epic style. Too many fun things I want to do, and we were waiting far too long, okay? All right, look, I love you, specifically you, and I will see you, hopefully, tomorrow, soon, sometime soon, all right? Bye-bye.